Welcome to NetActivity's Keep IT Simple for Small Businesses with our solution, Modern Workspace in a Box. So let's dive into it. Most small businesses adopt technology as they see it, and there is a hodgepodge adoption, and with the result, there's ease for the user is not seen, and there's no one strategy over the complete IT landscape. What we see is users have multiple user ID and passwords. They have a user ID for their Windows 10 PC, laptop. They have another one for their Gmail account. They might have another user ID for their Office 365 email. Users have Zoom, another account. Dropbox for file sharing, another account. Slack for collaboration, a different account. RingCentral for VoIP or other VoIP systems. In fact, most users don't even know their user ID password for their VoIP system, so they fail to use a lot of the technology behind the VoIP system. Evernote's another application. There are a lot of applications, but the thought process being all of these end up becoming islands. They don't collaborate across the applications. So if you have contacts in Outlook, then the other applications have difficulty using it. Some can use it. It's just a hodgepodge, and the users have difficulty with across the applications and remembering user IDs and passwords, and so it becomes difficult. So with modern workspace in a box, it is simple. The way it is you have one user ID where you log on to your PC, and the same user ID, that user ID then logs you into Microsoft's cloud, into Azure. That gives you your email. You don't have a different ID. That gives you your files, access to all your files. That gives you your Teams collaboration for your audio, video, including Microsoft Phones. Gives you audio, video conferencing. The same ID is valid for a lot of Microsoft-based cloud applications. And if you have third-party databases, vendors who provide that, then a lot of them can use the same Azure ID. So that makes one user ID access to all the IT infrastructure, makes life easy for the user. But the user can access their whole IT landscape without VPN or complexities of IT. So long they have internet access, be it that they are on a phone or an iPad or on a PC, it allows them to collaborate, phone call, video conference. It increases the productivity for the staff, and it increases collaboration across not only the staff, but with clients, with vendors. Be it you're at the office using the office phone, or you are traveling or outside and use your phone, and the cell phone app allows you to make calls, receive calls from your office line. And if you make a call through the Teams phone from your cell phone, it allows you to use your office number. So the receiving person sees your office number when you're making a call from your cell phone. So the concept being one user, one password, that eases the burden on the end user, and hence the number of phone calls which come to help us go away. Users can collaborate and edit documents in the real time. So users who might not be even at one location, they can share documents, they can edit them, they can even work on the same document at the same time in real time, and that increases productivity. A user logging in one time can use a PC, an iPad, a phone, and connect into in a secure manner and utilize different applications in the Microsoft Cloud and add other things, just like QuickBooks, for example, and use search across their files, etc. Have fully secure solution, and this is guaranteed uptime by 99.9%. Secured hard drive encryption, dual authentication, remote wipe if you lose the PC somewhere. So I can keep on going on, but the idea being is it makes the user's life much easier. If you think you can utilize this in your environment, contact us. If we can be of any help, info@netactivity.us or call us at 216-503-5150. Thank you for taking the time to listening to this presentation.